Hey guys, it's me again. I'm back with another new video for you guys only. And in this video, we are going to talk about Yoko. And what about her? You guys know yesterday Yoko went on this event. We have actually talked about it. We have actually discussed about it in bunch of videos. And I got to know something else as well. And what it is. In that event, our Yoko actually interacted with loads of fans right there. Yeah, she was chit chatting with fans. It's super cute. It's really nice to see Yoko having fun with her fans, having some sort of sweet conversations with fans. I'm pretty much sure Yoko actually missed that because see, right now Yoko is like a caged bird. She's inside Nine Star. She can't do anything right now. She's stuck basically there. This is it. Anyway, as I was saying, Yoko was having few conversations here and there with her fan, and it was smiley, bubbly, and everything. you know I really loved those interactions. Guess what? I got to know something. Nine Star actually prohibited Yoko to interact with fans. Yeah, Nine Star legit tried to stop Yoko from interacting with fans. Why? I don't know. But guess what? Yoko didn't listen to that. Instead, she told those fans who were there at the event to stay more with her. And it speaks volume. Now let me show you guys few posts about it, then we are going to talk about it briefly. Don't go anywhere. Alright? Here you go. Okay. Right. Okay. Right. Yes. Okay. What can I say, guys? What can I say? I'm speechless. I mean, every time I see something from Nine Star, this always left me speechless. What can I say? It's that complicated. I mean, Yoko wanted to interact with fans. She wanted to talk with fans. I mean, this is how and sweet artist should be, right? But the way Nine Star is doing, first of all, we know that few days ago we got announcement, a official statement from Nine Star that we can't post Yoko's videos, Yoko's photos on the social media somehow. And again, now Nine Star prohibited Yoko to interacting with fans. Why? This is how you gonna promote your artist? How? Why they are doing it? I just don't get it. They are. If I were an outsider, I would legit thought Nine Star is doing all of this to sabotage Yoko. They are doing it so that they can announce the bankruptcy of their own company. I mean, think about it. Does it even make any sense? Why they are doing it? They should promote Yoko more. Instead, they are doing all these restrictions. They told the fan not to, post any videos or photos, pictures of Yoko on the social media. Then Nine Star actually tried to stop Yoko from interacting with fans. What is happening, guys? What is happening? I just don't get it. I just don't get it. What's going inside their brain is just beyond me. Or they want to create this mysterious aura around Yoko. Or they want to save all of this for Hong Kong fan meet. What do you guys think? For me, it doesn't even make any sense. I mean, why would do that? They do it. I don't have any proper explanation for this. I don't have any sensible response for this. If you can give me a sensible response, yeah, please let me know because I can't understand this. And Yoko was sweet as she was talking with her fans. She was interacting with them. She's super sweet. Our sweet Yoko, our cutie, she has to go through all of this ship from Nine Star. I just hope and pray best for Yoko that she's going to go out from that company soon. That's it. I have nothing to say more. Anyway, guys, what's your thoughts on this? What's your opinion? I wanna know. So make sure to share your thoughts with us on the comment section. Alright? So yeah, this was all this for today's video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do like, comment, share, and do subscribe. Hopefully I'll see you guys soon. Till then, take care and keep smiling. I'll definitely see you guys soon. Take care.